Imagine if your child was stuck on a tricky problem, like how to simplify fractions or do column addition, and you could ask a teacher to pop over to your house and explain it to them. Well, we can't arrange that, but we think our interactive tutorials are the next best thing. The tutorials will help your child understand a concept or technique they've been shown at school by taking them through it step by step. They will also get the opportunity to put their knowledge into practice. In each tutorial, our digital teacher will explain the method, show you examples, and then give your child a chance to have a go themselves with some practice questions. Then, once your child has completed the on-screen exercises, our digital teacher will tell them if they've got it correct or if they need to try again. Finally, they'll review what has been taught. The School Run helps you support your child's learning and give them the best chance of achieving their full potential at primary school. Click here to learn more.